Hey, good evening, guys. Well, today I decided to make another soup, and I'm giving this soup a try. It is broccoli, cauliflower, cheddar soup with sausage. So I kind of modified it. I found this on Pinterest. I modified a few ingredients, but here it goes. The first thing you're going to do is brown your kielbasa sausage with 4 strips of bacon. Alright guys, and then in this big soup pan, what you're going to start off doing is taking a bag of broccoli and cauliflower and cooking it with chicken broth, a can of chicken broth, until it's soft. Okay? Alright, so the cauliflower and the chicken broth and the broccoli is in here. Make sure to cover it so it all gets soft. Because what you're going to do is you're going to use an immersion blender to blend all this together when it's all soft, when the vegetables are softened. And here is my sausage and bacon being browned. Alright guys, so once your bacon and your sausage are browned, you can turn this off, take it off the heat, and this will be added at the end of your soup, so you could just put it to the side. Alright guys, so the broccoli and the cauliflower are pretty much very soft. So now you're going to pull out your immersion blender and you're going to go ahead and liquefy this, okay? I love this one. It's just the Amazon Basics brand, and it has a whisk, and it also has an attachment for a food processor. I really love this one. Alright guys, kind of looks like this. You can, once you get all your other ingredients, you can continue to chop it up. I don't know if you like little chunks in your soup or you want it a little more smooth, then you can go ahead and keep doing it after you add all the other ingredients we're going to add. Just don't add your sausage or bacon yet. That's at the very end, okay? Alright guys, so your next ingredient is 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And then after this, in the same cup, you can do 1 cup of water. All right, so here goes my cup of water. Next is 2 tablespoons of butter. All right, then you're gonna add a cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Okay guys, and then these are your seasonings that you're going to use. You're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of basil, garlic powder, onion powder, and thyme. Salt and pepper, you can use whatever you like. This is to taste. So I would do this at the end after you put in your sausage and bacon, and then see what you need to add, okay? Alright guys, everything's in. It's melted. The cheese is melted, so I'm going to go ahead and hit it with the immersion blender one more time, okay? Alright guys, there it is. I hit it one more time and it's super smooth. I'm going to go ahead and let it thicken up a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on, okay? Okay guys, then you want to take the sausage and carefully and the bacon that was in there, and carefully transfer it over. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add salt and pepper to taste, okay? And I'll let it thicken a little more. And that's it guys. That's pretty much your whole soup. Hope the guys like it too. This is a new one for me, so I'm really excited for them to try it. Alright, there's a finished product in the pot, and I made the guys some cornbread muffins, and I'm just going to have a carb quick biscuit that I have in my air fryer going on right now.